Let's bring in Ankur Crawford, Executive Vice President and Portfolio Manager of Alger. Joins me right here, Post 9. Welcome back. I'm looking at the stock right now, 14%. Yet I hear people all day say, well, the earnings weren't that good. I mean, you own it, so what's your take?
Yeah, I think, let's take a step back from the earnings today. And Nvidia is going to be the dominant compute engine over the next decade, driving cloud, accelerated compute and cloud, driving, regenerative AI. And so how can you not own this at some point? So I think that's what you're seeing as a reaction in the market. People were hoping that they would guide down. They didn't. They actually guided up. And they've inflected growth in all their markets.
Now, as bullish as you obviously are, okay, about the stock, and it's still 20% away from its high, it's a double off of its low. So even at these levels, with the earnings that they had, this is justified, do you think, this move that we've seen?
So I think an interesting thing about enablers of markets and businesses that are demand creators is when you have exponential growth in their end markets, oftentimes the long term is underestimated. And that very well may be what is happening with Nvidia today. That the TAM potential is so unique and large that over time, the estimates are just too low.
See, I'm glad you used the TAM, total addressable market, right? Because you know what happens with tech, right? We get around these buzzwords. It's eyeballs, and then it's TAM, and now it's AI. Is there too much hype?
No, there's absolutely not too much hype in AI. AI is something that is revolutionizing the way we will work, the way we will compute, the way we will interact with our society. It is not too much hype. I think it feels like a lot of hype on the consumer side because ChatGPT was just revealed. But people have been working on AI for 3 decades. And the promise of AI has always been what we're seeing in ChatGPT and then some.
So on that note, then how do you think about Microsoft versus Alphabet, for example? Yeah. Microsoft has seemingly all the hype about it. And now we're wondering, oh, well, this dominant place that Alphabet had in search, is that now going to be at least lessened to some degree?
Yeah, so what I think is really interesting about kind of this innovation engine that we are seeing that is actually not linear anymore. It's exponential change in what we're seeing. And in part, it's because software is starting to write software. We're no longer limited by a developer writing code. It's going to disrupt markets that we thought were impenetrable. Google, 3 months ago, I would never have thought that the Google search engine was at risk and their margin structure was at risk.
And you really think it is today?
I do. I think, and hats off to the management team of Microsoft that they had the foresight to really take the investment in ChatGPT and propagate it throughout their entire platform. That they were able to recognize what is about to come.